So what I've done is I've done the calculation. I'm going to go through the question, read through the question, and then go step by step in the calculation so that you get an explanation for it. Okay, so here is a question. We do the sequence first, and this is what the question says. Well, it says that there are three consecutive terms of arithmetic sequence. Those terms have been given as the consecutive, so it means that they follow one after the other. They come one after the other. So the first term that, according to the question, you check it like the first term is into brackets 2x plus 23, bracket close. The second term into brackets 8x plus 2, bracket close. And the third term into brackets 20x minus 52, bracket close. So there's a variable there that is x. So what you're going to do, what the question wants you to do, is to test your ability to write simple linear equations with the variables that are related to a sequence, right? So that you can solve the value of the variable. So, or prove that indeed and then prove that indeed the sequence, they've got a difference of 12 from one term to another. So what we're going to do is a very simple two linear equations, then we solve it. Okay, all right. Now, now that we have all the information we need from the question, what we are going to do is, according to the question, put down two linear equations. And taking the first term that has been given, we know that if we add 12 to it, we get a second term. So here we go. We have 2x plus 23, right, plus 12. 2x plus 23 as the first term plus 12 is equal to, into bracket, 8x plus 2. Then we write equation 1. Then we write the second equation as, from the second term to the third term, there's a difference of 12 as well. So that simply implies that 8x plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 20x minus 52, equation 2. So now there are two linear equations that you can solve easily. Taking the first linear equation, equation number 1. So from equation number 1, you have 2x plus 23 plus 12 is equal to 8x plus 2. Now, putting like terms together and then the unlike terms together, you bring all the terms with x in on one side. We're going to get 8x minus 2x is equal to 23 plus 12 minus 2. And it's the same way if you want to put the variables like the x terms on the right side of the equation, then you put the numbers on the other side of the equation, you're going to get the same thing. It's 23 plus 12 minus 2 is equal to 8x plus minus 2x. So now you can simply go ahead to find x, where you get 6x is equal to 33. Then 2x is equal to 11, and then x is equal to 11 over 2, which is 5.5. But there's no need for you to simplify, because you're going to put x is equal to 11 over 2 into equation number 2. So you put x is equal to 11 over 2 into equation number 2 to confirm that indeed the value of x is accurate and is correct. So putting x into equation number 2 as 11 over 2, you're going to get 8 times 11 over 2 plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 20 times 11 over 2 minus 52. We simplify it, we get 44, right? Plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 110 minus 52. And then you realize that the, the, the equation is verified. You have 58 is equal to 58. So indeed, the value of x. This proves that the common difference of the sequence is 12 because the value of x is correct for both equations. Okay, that's done.